Hey guys, Marcus here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the Gorenje induction. So from my experience, where you're going to have it is where you're going to have the Gorenje induction. You can have power button, and next to the power button, you are going to have the key, the lock key button. And what you want to do, you just want to press and hold it because your Gorenje got locked, but you don't want to have any water on your fingers. Just clean even that, because what has been my experience that if I have a little bit of water there, if I have a little bit of dirt there, I just can't unlock it. And maybe you have to hold it also for like 5 to 10 seconds. All right, so you're gonna have the power button, locate the power button, and next to probably you're gonna have the lock button. So that's something that you want to do, and that's how it works. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. And also let me down below in the comments if it actually helped you for solving the issue. Goodbye.